Hey you guys, what's up? So in front of me, I have a brand new box of Moda brushes. So if you would like to see what's inside this box, as well as how we got this look on my eyes today, then just stay tuned. So inside the box is this eye kit right here. Moda Brushes was kind enough to send over the Festival Fantasy Eye Kit. It comes with 4 brushes inside, and you guys, these are all you need to complete your festival colorful rhinestoned looks. And like all Moda brushes, these are 100% vegan and cruelty-free and can be used with wet or dry product. Inside this Festival Fantasy Eye Kit, you are getting a paddle shader. This is a flat paddle-shaped brush that is going to apply concealers, cream shadows, glitters with ease. Next, there is a detail brush. This is perfect to get right into that crease, that outer corner, or that inner corner, and I even use it for the lower lash line area. Next, we have a detail liner brush. This brush is perfect to get those intricate designs as well as complex lines. And then last but not least, we have a double-ended tool. We have the dotting tool, which I absolutely love. This picks gems up with ease to where you can just place them on your eye. And then on the other end, it is a dotter, which creates the perfect size little dots. Without further ado, let's create this colorful, fun festival style look using the Festival Fantasy Eye Kit by Moda Brushes.
All right, so first we're taking the paddle shader. Not only did I use this for my cream eyeshadow base, but I'm also using this to pack on my yellow. Now we're going in with the detail brush, and this is a domed brush, so it's really a great brush to use in small areas, inner and outer corner, lower lash line area. I know this isn't the most precise eyeshadow application, but this brush is perfect for those little small areas, as well as packing on shadows like we're doing today. Now I'm going in with the detail liner brush, and this is perfect for those intricate designs and complex lines. And depending on how heavy-handed you go or how you hold the brush on the eye, you can create thinner lines or thicker lines. And last but not least, we're using our dotter tool, and this is just going to create the perfect little round dots. And even though I did not add any jewels to this look, I wanted to at least demonstrate how easy it is to pick up jewels using this tool.
Well, that is it, you guys, for the little mini tutorial using the Festival Fantasy Eye Kit from Moda. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Will you be picking up this eye kit? Will you be checking out Moda? If you do, I do have a coupon code that you can use that will save you guys some money, and I will leave that on the screen. And I do make a little bit of money from that code, so if you decide to use it, you will be helping me out as well as saving yourself some money. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda for sending me this Festival Fantasy Eye Kit, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.